Hello students, I am Professor S.U. Kakade, working as lecturer in Computer Engineering Department of CSMSS College of Polytechnic, Aurangabad. As you know, we have discussed in previous video lecture that syllabus of your software testing. So here software testing is for 70 marks theory and 50 marks practical, 30 marks for theory PA, means test and micro project. So first unit of your software testing is basics of software testing and testing methods. In this first bit is software testing, objective of software testing, and second bit is terminologies failure, error, fault, defect, bug. These are the terminologies used in software testing. So we will see these two topics in today's lecture. What is the learning outcome of this topic? You will be able to understand basics of software testing, that is like objective definition of software testing. Next, terminologies used in software testing. Different terminologies are used in software testing. You will be understand that. First, we will see what is the definition of software testing. Testing means, you know, that if any bike or four-wheeler delivered to customer, it is first tested and delivered to customer, means its efficiency, its everything is tested, then only it can be delivered to the customer. Likewise, also software is developed and it is tested during execution, during development and after development or after completion of the development phase. So testing is executing a system in order to identify any gaps, errors or missing requirements with respect to the actual requirements. This is the definition of software testing. Missing requirements means if customer given some other requirement or some given extra requirement and we are lagging behind that requirements, so you are missing some requirements given by the customer. Objective of software testing. Software testing is required to identify the defects and errors during the development phase. And before delivery, after development phase also we need to test the software. Second is it is necessary for customer reliability and their satisfaction, means satisfaction is also needed by the customer, because if you are thinking you have developed a software well but customer thinking that it is not reliable for him, so your software must be tested and recoded as requirement or satisfaction of the customer. Third is it is necessary to verify the quality of the product, means if you have developed a software then it is okay, but quality should be tested, the quality product should be produced or delivered to the customer. Fourth, it is necessary to give the facility to the customer, that is delivery of the quality product or software application that requires lower maintenance cost, as a result are accurate, consistent and reliable, means sometimes it give correct result, sometimes it's reliable, it's not accepted by the customer, it should be consistent in everything. Last, fifth is testing is needed for an effective performance of the software product. So these are the some objectives of software testing. Terminologies used in software testing. First terminology used is failure. As you know, you are saying that system is not opening, its failure, or second is error. So what is meaning of this? First we see failure. It is the inability of a system or component to perform required function according to its specification. Means it's not performing the functions according to the specification or requirement, then it is a failure of the system. Error, it is an issue identified internally or during the unit testing. Normally error occurs when human action produces undesirable results. Third, fault, it is an condition that causes the software fail to perform its required functions. That means same as the little bit same as the failure. Fault. Defect, it is an issue identified by the customer. If you deliver or test by customer, acceptance testing is there, we will see later. So defect will be found there by the customer. Bug is an initiation of error or a problem because of which a fault may occur in the system. These are some terminologies used in software testing. So here all with this lecture. So you can ask any queries by email or WhatsApp number, or by directly calling to me. Thank you.